People are in festive mode, and how you can celebrate your all festivals with COVID appropriate behavior, what kind of precautions you have to take, and it is necessary for the life. Joining with a COVID expert, a senior doctor, professor Dr. Sanjay Rai. Sir, what you want to say and what you advise to all the people who want to celebrate?
See, this is the right time to move towards normalcy. Delhi government has just released the data, Zero survey data. More than 90% population has SARS coronavirus 2 IgG against the SARS coronavirus 2. So that means majority of the population is protected. Plus Delhi also, if you see the vaccine coverage, it's a very good. More than 50% population almost they have received 2 doses of the vaccine. Considering both vaccination and natural infection, we know based on scientific evidences that natural infection is providing longer duration of protection and better protection. Even if you compare with any vaccine, they are providing better protection. So we must move towards normalcy. So people should enjoy with some precautions, and that precaution is always COVID appropriate behavior. That means wearing mask and maintaining some distance, avoiding unnecessarily crowded place. All this. So following all this COVID related behavior, COVID appropriate behavior, we must enjoy all our festivals. We must move towards normalcy.
Some experts say that now we are in endemic stage. Some are not confirming it. What is your view about it?
I have not seen any domain experts who are not saying that we have not entered in the endemic stage, at least in few cities like Delhi and few metro cities. So based on the epidemiological picture, we can say that we have already entered in the endemic stage in the Delhi and few other metro cities. Few experts are, few people are saying that we have not entered. So now it's time to really move towards normalcy. Believe in science, believe in the epidemiology, and we believe in the as we are the student of the epidemiology, so we believe in the epidemiology, we believe in the science, and based on the scientific evidence, we can say that we have already entered in the endemic phase in Delhi.
Third wave is coming or not, on a scientific basis or any other basis you have?
See, it's difficult to say, to predict any wave, future wave. Any future wave depend upon 2-3 factors. In epidemiology, we teach these factors: agent factor, host factor, and environment factor. Now, first is the host factor. Host factor means population. That is host factor. If susceptible population is there, then we can predict any wave. We can anticipate any wave. In metro cities like Delhi and few other metro cities, susceptible population pool is very low. Like Delhi, Zero survey is more than 90% positivity. That means less than 10% population are susceptible population in Delhi. Few other cities also, susceptible population pool is very low. So seeing all this epidemiological evidence, we can say in near future, a very large third wave is not, we are not anticipating any large third wave in near future. Then the next one is your agent factor. We may face a third wave if agent is completely new. That means SARS, through this mutation, it's a completely new SARS coronavirus 2. And if that virus is capable of bypassing your natural immunity, then most probably that virus will also bypass your acquired immunity through vaccination. And that time we may face any wave. In near future, we are not seeing any evidence that we may face a very large third wave. Yeah.
Right now, if I'm talking to you, I'm feeling a lot of positivity in me because since 1.5 years, the people were you can say, confined in their home. But now, as Dr. Sanjay Rai is saying, it is the time to move towards normalcy, not with a full swing, but full swing with guard, with a lot of precautions. With camera person Jia in Delhi, it's Ram Kinkar Singh for India Today.